Alright, how's it going, guys? Thanks for coming and joining us here. Dita here on the microphone. As I show you this next house we're doing for my brother, putting the stumps in. He's needed somebody to help him get work done. And we're here to put new stumps underneath this place. Of course, there's a bit of work to do. It's a big house on only a few stumps, but it's solid rock and some of those holes need busting. So we're in the process of doing that. So we'll take a walk around as we show you the house. It's here in Bulimba. And what we have all the way up there, 4 metres above the ground. A bit more than that, 4.5. 4.5 metres high to the bearer. And then of course we're in, well, it's a bit of dirt in this one. Most of these are solid rock. We're in here, this one. We're busting this one out at the moment, nice big hole. As we have this big beam. I'll show you if you want to step back. Step back over here. There we go. So 5:30 or something. It's in there. And we got double right there on the end. Where are we? Over there. Around the corner here. Yeah, just there. We've got 2 holes of the steel. Just there that are going to have 2 100mm by 6mm posts stitched together. Side by side. They go on each end of these. So that one there, then there's another one 3 feet from the end over there. And then we're going to widen these holes. And then we've got a similar size beam on the side over there. And 300 C channels going either side. And we've got the same, just 2 posts on either side, either end. But they're 2 double posts, they're 100 by 100 by 6 the engineer's got there. 2 of, stitched together on each end. And then we're going to get all these other ones in. So a lot of fun to happen. We've got 2, maybe 3 days of jackhammering. Plus we've got the posts arriving tomorrow, so we can make those up and start putting them in. And we've got rain coming this week. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Just keeps us going. Alright, so my son and I will be busy doing that for a while. And then we've got all the welding to do once we get the thing at a height, got it all down on stumps so we can then weld it all off. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. There's more to come as we keep you posted as to how this job goes. And this is a job here at Bulimba for my house removals. And Frankie here, hey Frank, is in charge of digging holes. So we'll get into that.
I'm in charge?
Yeah,
Don't tell me that.
You're as far in charge as I let you be. All right, we'll get into this hole. Thanks, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, like button too, if you will, and we'll keep on going, and I'll get more videos on. Thanks. See you again soon. Bye.